Hello friends, myself Dharitri Patel. Today's topic is epidemiology of non-communicable disease, in which we will discuss about obesity. Non-communicable disease, a chronic disease which are passed from person to person. They are of long duration and generally slow progression. Mainly, the NCDs are permanent, caused by non-reversible pathological alteration which require special training of the patient and a long period of supervision, observation or care for a rehabilitation. Overweight and obesity are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation which may impair the health of the individual. Mainly, it is characterized by abnormal growth of the adipose tissue. The number of deaths due to overweight and obesity is more than death due to underweight. According to WHO, healthy diet and regular physical activity prevent the epidemic situation of obesity. Parameters of obesity. BMI. BMI it means that body mass index. BMI is nothing but the relation between the weight and the height of the individual. On the basis of BMI, obesity can be classified. As we can see in this picture, the classification of the obesity according to BMI. The second parameter is weight circumference. By weight circumference, we can also assess the obesity. History of obesity. The obesity is from the Latin obesitas, which means stout, fat or plump. Ancient Greek medicine recognizes obesity as a medical disorder and records that the ancient Egyptians saw it in the same way. The Indian surgeon Sushruta also described the obesity, the diabetes, etc., heart disorder, and recommended the physical work to help cure it and its side effect. As we can see in this picture, the moneylender woman with obesity, that's why the obesity is considered as a disease of rich. Now the causes of obesity. The fundamental cause is an energy imbalance between consumed calories and used calories. Globally, there has been an increased intake of energy dense foods that are high in fat, decreased physical activity, not sleeping enough, weight gain during pregnancy may difficult to lose and might eventually it leads to obesity. The certain health condition can also lead to obesity such as PCOS, Cushing syndrome, hypothyroidism, osteoarthritis, etc. Age, sex, genetic factor, socioeconomic status, less literacy level, eating habits, less physical activity, excessive alcohol consumption, excessive smoking, mentally disturbed, drug life such as steroids, oral contraceptives, insulin, etc. affect the obesity and which convert the obesity in epidemic situation. Symptoms. As we can see in this picture, in adults, swelling more than usual, snoring and trouble sleeping, shortness of breath, and the skin problems such as varicose vein, etc. In children and adolescents, dark velvety skin around the neck and other areas, which is called acanthosis nigricans, sleep apnea, shortness of breath with physical activity, stretch marks. Symptoms of morbid obesity, difficulty in breathing, difficulty in working, etc. Now the complications which are occurs due to the obesity. sleep apnea, type 2 diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, heart disease and stroke, cancer, fatty liver disease, osteoarthritis, gallbladder disease, etc. Hazards of obesity. Increased morbidity. Obesity is a positive risk factor for the development of hypertension, disease, gallbladder disease, diabetes, coronary heart disease, etc. The few the few health conditions which although not usually fatal but it causes a great deal of morbidity in the community. Example, varicose vein, abdominal hernia, etc. Increased mortality. Obesity lowers life expectancy. Intra-abdominal fat accumulation and increased risk. Compared with subcutaneous adipose tissue, intra-abdominal adipose tissue has more cells per unit mass, high blood flow, more glucocorticoid receptor, probably more androgen receptor, and greater catecholamine induced lipolysis, which increase abdominal obesity and which increase risk. Assessment of obesity. How to assess obesity? Usually it is a self-diagnosable body weight. First one is body weight, BMI. By the BMI and other such a formula like Broca index, corpulence index, by which we can assess the obesity and the overweight. The next is skin fold thickness, waist circumference. Waist circumference is measured at the midpoint between the lower border of the rib cage and the iliac crest. Other certain tests to help diagnose obesity related health risks such as blood test to examine cholesterol and glucose level, liver function test, a diabetes screening, thyroid test, heart test such as an ECG. Treatment of obesity by dietary changes, avoiding high calories food, etc. Exercise, keep moving, counseling which help to get relief from anxiety, depression, etc. Weight loss mediation such as a naltrexone. It may not work for everyone. There were some side effect. When you stop taking, then the weight loss mediation, you may regain much of all the weight you lost. Weight loss surgery such as gastric bypass surgery, gastric sleeve surgery, etc. According to Ayurveda, by the Langan Chikitsa, Guru Dravya Yukt Tarpan Chikitsa, we can get relief from obesity. Such a drug like Guduchi, Musta, Triphala also help in obesity. One should follow the Pathya Ahar and Pathya Vihar to get a relief from obesity. Prevention and control. We can prevent and control the obesity by changes into the diet, the lifestyle, by the increased physical activity, etc. According to research, forecasting the prevalence of overweight and obesity in India by 2040. In India, the prevalence of overweight and obesity has increased rapidly in recent decades. Give the association between overweight and obesity with many non-communicable diseases. Forecast of future prevalence of overweight and obesity can help inform policy in country where around 1/6 of world's population resides. There are such various methods. The result of that, the prevalence of overweight will more than double among Indian adults aged 20 to 69 years between 2010 and 2040, while the prevalence of obesity will triple. Specifically, the prevalence of overweight and obesity will reach as data shown below respectively by 2040. Conclusion of that, the overall prevalence of overweight and obesity is expected to increase considerably in India by 2040. Now, obesity at a global level and in India. Most of the world's population live in countries where overweight and obesity kill more people than underweight. In India, more than 135 million individuals were affected by obesity. Approximately 2.8 million deaths are reported as a result of being overweight or obese. Prevention is better than cure. One should follow the proper diet and regimen for prevent the overweight and obesity and also other the complications which are produced due to the obesity. If the person is diagnosed with the obesity, then he should follow the proper diet and regimen, the proper treatment which can prevent the complications of obesity and the obesity. Dharma, Arth, Kam, Moksha, which are fourfolded Purusharth, the ultimate aim, the ultimate goal of the individuals in a nowadays is only gain if the if our body is healthy.